here I have OPPO Reno4 Z 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. By tapping on it once, screen recording starts. If you hold your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can record system sound, you can record microphone sound, you can change video resolution here. You can fix frame rate, or you can set dynamic frame rate. You can select video coding format. You can show or enable or disable front camera, and you can show screen touches. So let's try to record some of our screen. Tap on it, then tap agree and continue, then grant all the accesses it requires, and after that this screen recording menu appears. Here you have some other settings of it. You can go to the previous settings from here. So to start recording, tap on this red button. After that, recording starts. Let's record some of our screen. So if you want to pause recording, you can tap on this button here. Then you can play it again by tapping this button here once again. And to stop recording, tap on this red button. And after that, recording will be saved to the gallery. And here it is in the screenshots album. No sound. Let's record some of our screen. So, and from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.